My name is Ricardo Martinez and I would like to talk to you about Kaoto. Before we dive in, let me tell you that Kaoto is part of the extension pack for Apache Camel. It's an extension pack meant to make your life easier when doing integration. At the moment of the recording, Kaoto is on this version 1.1. But what better way to show you Kaoto than create an integration? So for that, we could open the command palette and we could use create a camel route using the YAML DSL. So let's select this and let's provide a name for our integration. In our case, it will be demo. Once you hit enter, now the dependency will be fetched and the integration will be created. Now, I wanted to show you how the source code looks like, and you see it's a simple demo route for it. Now, let's open this in Kaoto instead. So we could right click on the top and say reopen with Kaoto. Let me close this below. Okay, and now we can see Kaoto and the visual representation of the previous route. So before we execute this route, let's walk you through the toolbar on the top. So at the left, we have the integration type. So at the moment, we could create new camel route or camelets or pipes. Moving on, we can see here the routes list or the entity list, where we can toggle the visibility of a given route or simply rename it. Next, we have our new entity menu. From here, we can add new routes, configuration entities, error handling, or REST configuration. Lastly, we have these two copy to clipboard functionality to copy the underlying YAML definition. And we could also export the current view as an image. Now, let's inspect a bit this route. So as you can see, we have three components. We have a timer, a set body, and a log. At the top right corner, you see a play button. When we click in here, we are going to execute the route using the Camel CLI, and we can quickly prototype what we need to do. So now with our running route, we can see that we have this message, hello Camel from road 1. Now, one of the key things about the Camel CLI and combination with Kaoto is that you could click on a given component and then we can update it. So let's say in this case, we are printing hello Camel. Okay, so let's modify this and let's update the message to do something instead. So hello YouTube. Let's hit apply and let's save the file. Now you will notice at the bottom that the route will be restarted, and now we see the new message coming in. Also, we could disable individual steps. So let's say that we don't want to print the log anymore. So we could right click on top of it and say disable. And again, we could save the file, and now we won't see anything on the screen. Let me re-enable this for one quick. Let's enable and let's save the file again. Now we see the message again popping up. Now, at the bottom of the canvas, we have controls to zoom in a particular step, zoom out, maybe center on the screen, and we could also alter how the chart is laid out in an horizontal manner or in a vertical manner. And lastly, you could also see what's available in the catalog from components, camelet, and processor. We're going to dive in with more detail in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching.